Hello guys, welcome to Technician. Today we have come up with top 5 latest tech news. So watch this video till the end to know the best tech news. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel to get the latest tech news without failure. Free Cyberpunk 2077 DLC promised for early 2021 may not arrive on time. The company president and co-CEO Adam Kicinski told investors that it was too early to judge when the company might be able to release the promised DLC, which stands for downloadable content. CD Projekt game developers has not been having a great time right now because of its Cyberpunk 2077 title and the number of bugs that it had. While these bugs are addressed and refunds are widely available, to revive the reputation of the company, they have to fix all the current bugs which was left in the game, and to do that, they need to fulfill the promise that it made previously, which was of giving a free DLC for the game in early 2021. However, it seems like gamers won't be receiving the promised free DLC anytime soon. According to Engadget, the Internet Archive's Wayback Machine shows that the web page stating the arrival of a free DLC in early 2021 might have been made live on the same day as the game launched. This was before the gamers came out with all the bugs and started posting them on social media. When the bugs started cropping up, CD Projekt on December 15 held an emergency conference to discuss about the coming bugs which will degrade the image of the game. PIL in High Court claims GPay unauthorizedly accessing Aadhaar data of citizens. Mishra, a financial economist, has claimed in his plea that GPay was accessing Aadhaar data in alleged violation of the Aadhaar Act of 2016, Payments and Settlement Systems Act 2007, and Banking Regulations Act 1949. The PIL has been moved in the Delhi High Court alleging that Google's online payment system, Google Pay, was storing the data unauthorizedly and storing Aadhaar banking information of citizens in violation of various statutory provisions. The petition was listed on Thursday before a bench of Justice Vibhu Bakru and Pratik Jalan, which asked the petitioner, Abhijit Mishra, to file an affidavit indicating all the PILs, including those against GPay, filed by him in the past and the status of each petition. With the direction, the court listed the petition filed through advocates Payal Bahal and Prakhar Gupta for hearing on January 14, 2021. According to the Unique Identification Authority of India under the Right to Information Act, no permission has been issued to GPay to access, use and store citizens' Aadhaar details. They further claimed that such storage of Aadhaar and banking details of citizens by Google Pay happens again, then it shall amount to violation of the fundamental right of privacy. The petition has sought directions to UIDAI to take action against GPay for the alleged violation of provisions of the Aadhaar Act. It has also sought directions to UIDAI and Reserve Bank of India to prevent alleged unauthorized access of the Aadhaar and banking information of the citizens of India. Samsung confirms Galaxy Buds Pro on its website. It is expected that Samsung will launch the Galaxy Buds Pro, its latest TWS, on January 14. Even though Samsung has not yet revealed, the Galaxy Buds Pro were spotted on multiple leaks confirming its launch. There's no image details of the device, but the listing confirms the TWS itself and its moniker. But the Galaxy Buds Pro has been leaked quite often to give us a clear idea of what to expect from the wireless earbuds. The Galaxy Buds Pro will be Samsung's new TWS, but it's reportedly not an upgrade over the Galaxy Buds Live. The Galaxy Buds Pro's leaked images show an in-ear style similar to the Galaxy Buds and Buds Plus. Although this one has a slightly smaller body, the Galaxy Buds Pro charging case is similar to that of Galaxy Buds Live. It is also expected that Galaxy Buds Pro will feature ANC, a two-way speaker, 3 microphones and a water resistance IPX7 rating. The wireless earbuds are said to offer up to 8 hours of playtime and 28 hours with the case. It is also expected that Samsung will boost the ambient mode on the Galaxy Buds Pro. It also has been spotted with the AirPods Pro-like spatial audio feature. The price of Galaxy Buds Pro could be $199. It will most likely launch alongside the Galaxy S21 series on January 14. Hit the subscribe button if you find it useful. Xiaomi Mi 11 shows up in leaked unboxing video ahead of launch, specs detailed by Tipster. Xiaomi launched its first 2021 flagship, Xiaomi Mi 11, which went on scale in China. The Mi 11 is the first Snapdragon 888 stock smartphone to come and was announced on December 28. 350,000 units of Mi 11 were sold within 5 minutes of the ongoing sale. Now Xiaomi had a green edition of the Mi 11, which was the smartphone bundle without the charger. Of all the orders placed the previous day for the new device, only a fraction of it was for the no charger bundle. It looks like while Xiaomi might be wanting to push customers to pick the green edition, the buyers have other plans. Xiaomi revealed that the Mi 11 would not ship with the charger by default after mocking Apple for leaving the charger out of the boxes of the iPhone 12 model. But unlike Apple, Xiaomi provided customers with an option to get the charger for free if they wanted for a limited time only. Apple iPhone 13 Pro models may get the most anticipated display feature, 120Hz refresh rate. Apple fans have been debating since last year about the fact that when the company will include a refresh rate option of 120Hz on its iPhones. This was said to come in iPhone 12 series last year, but the rumor were busted soon by the tipsters and analysts. And soon after the launch of the iPhone 12, we started hearing the same rumors about the iPhone 13. But this time, more number of credible analysts and tipsters have backed up the fact. One of the prolific Apple tipsters, Jon Prosser, has also been backing up 120Hz refresh rate feature for iPhone 13 since months, and he has done the same in the latest analysis. Prosser has cited a few reports in his new video stating that the 120Hz panel is indeed coming to iPhone to 2021. However, it might not be there in all the 4 rumored models. Although the names of the new iPhones have not been finalized, they are likely to be named with iPhone 13 moniker. Unlike last time, 2 of them might be the Pro models. Backing the reports, Prosser says that the rumored iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max will be the ones with 120Hz panel, not the regular iPhone 13 and 13 mini devices. That's all in this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tech related updates. Give a thumbs up if you liked this video and share it with your tech savvy friends. Also let us know in the comment box your favorite part of the video. Thank you for watching.